So what are you trying to do here?
Well, okay. I'm trying to pop this balloon, but it's not wanting to pop.
What the heck?
What the heck?
I want to try. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try.
Hold on.
Let me try. I want to try. Here, take the camera. Take the camera. Okay. So, I'm a lot fatter than Mr. Shark, so I will be able to do this hopefully. What the heck?
Oh!
You got it. Okay. That was me getting an email.
Okay.
Well, guys, that wraps up this video of random stuff with Mr. Shark.
Yeah, but now this has to be the last clip.
No, I'm just gonna make this its own YouTube video.
Just this.
Yeah.
No, we gotta do more stuff now.
Okay, fine. What do you want to do then?
We'll cut it into clips. So just stop recording.
Okay, bye. What's up, guys? We're here with clip number 2. So what we're going to be doing on this episode of Random Stuff with Mr. Shark, I, against my will, am going to be chained up and have a bunch of Oreo stuffed in my mouth. Minus the part where I'm chained up against my will. I stuttered. Probably because I'm scared about getting Oreos shoved in my mouth. We're gonna see how many I can fit in my mouth. Not sure how this is gonna go, but let's just get right into it. So, what's the world record?
How am I supposed to know? Okay, open it now. We got this.
Wait, can I position them?
Yeah.
Like, can I position them?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Oh, whoa! Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
They're falling apart. Just stuff it in. How many is this now?
I don't know. I'm done.
Hey! That's my couch. Hey. Not on the couch.
It's not.
We should have prepared a trash can for this.
I am. That's what I was trying to say.
Okay, I'm gonna get a trash can. Or you can eat them if you want. What do you want?
I'll just eat them.
Okay.
But, like, nothing's on the couch.
Okay, see you next time with weird stuff with Mr. Shark.
So, guys, we're back with another short clip, and there's tons of Oreo crap on my shirt now, thanks to Mr. Shark. But anyway, we're gonna be playing some ping pong. Yeah. So, you may enjoy this. Mr. Shark is going to get the new, like, see, look at all that Oreo, man. I had to try to wash it off in the sink, but it did not work. He went to go get some of the new ping pong balls he got for Christmas. But because this is my channel, I'm going to be the one that's actually in the camera because I'm special in very many more ways than one. So I'm going to prepare, and I'm going to be a little engineer. Says it right up there, man, in the job description. All right. Because I'm special, I get to be here, so I'm in the camera. I'm just protecting myself, okay? So we're gonna shut the door.
Yeah.
So no third parties. So basically, how this works, if you don't know, it's basically like regular ping pong, but then whoever scores the point gets to take the ball and like slam the ball at the other person, and they have to like lift up their shirt and stuff. And so yeah, that's how it goes. So here we go. And that doesn't count. You weren't ready, so we'll go again.
Yes. Open wide.
So wait, should we do it back or stomach?
Stomach.
Well, I feel like back would be better.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Oh, my butt!
Dang.
It got me in the butt. Alright, here we go again. Alright, lift it up, boy. Get in the, hold on. Every time I do it to you, just switch sides, because that'll be way easier.
Okay.
So. Alright. More than that, come on. Alright, hold on. I hit you, but because it hit the shirt, I don't know if it did anything.
It didn't really hurt that bad.
Yeah, because it hit your shirt.
It hurt a little bit, but not bad. Okay.
Afterwards, we're gonna have to be like checking out each other's welts and stuff because we're cool like that. Well, that's a fault on me, so I'm screwed. Oh,
Oh my
goodness!
goodness!
I got scared.
It got stuck in the ceiling for a minute.
I don't know where that went, but I feel like that ball was heavier than all the other ones anyway. But I feel like the lighter ones are gonna sting more anyway.
I don't know. Okay.
Ah! Hit my knuckle!
Yes.
Oh!
That was so close.
My stomach is like, not my stomach, but my back is just hurting even thinking that it's gonna hit me.
Okay.
It's all over your shirt.
Oreo.
Why?
Because I was eating Oreos.
Okay, why is it on your shirt? Did you just take it and wipe it like?
Not exactly, but we're almost done, so skidoo.
Okay, we gotta go.
We'll be done soon.
Alright. That was a random interjection from my mother.
Okay.
Alright.
What, you just lost?
Dang it, I was hoping you wouldn't realize. Oh. It hit like my lower thigh. Alright. I gotta redeem myself here.
Oh, that was a false serve. Hit the net.
Fine.
Out. Come here, basketball. Okay. Let's do this.
Not too hard. What happened?
Round two.
Hey,
I missed.
what happened?
I literally didn't even hit it.
Oh, it hit my shoulder. Alright. I still really need to, hold on to these two. Alright.
No. Okay. Oh,
Yes!
no.
Alright, lift up. I'm gonna do it. So, like, hold it up like I was. You can do it higher than that. Okay, fine. I missed it.
Okay, I heard you hit it though.
Well, I hit it, but, like, it hit, like, down there, so. I hit your arm.
Hit my armpit.
Alright, guys, well, I think that's gonna have to do it for this little clip of random stuff
Yeah,
with Mr.
sadly,
Shark.
we didn't get any good hits.
Yeah, because my mom. Alright, goodbye.